trusting your existing banks could be costing you tens of thousands of dollars. Now, I know that sounds like a crazy statement, but let me break it down for you. I'm going to share with you 3 pro tips that I've learned being in the mortgage industry for almost 20 years. And these are not secrets the banks don't want you to know. It's because you as a client don't necessarily know how to ask, and the banks are not going to go out of their way to explain it to you. Tip number 1 is you can access up to 80% of the equity in your property, even if you're self-employed and don't declare all your income on a tax return. Even if one of your partners has lost their job, even if your credit is bruised. In all 3 of these instances, you can access up to 80% of the equity in the property with the right lender. Number 2 is that we also provide solutions for interest-only loans for those really tough situations where you just need a short-term solution for 6 months to a year to get you back on your feet. And then number 3 is we could actually look at pulling you out of your existing mortgage early and save you money. Now, these are all things that I love to sit down and have a 15-minute virtual coffee with you. We can talk about all things mortgages. We can talk about free cash flow. We can talk about the real cost of borrowing. But most importantly, we can talk about the best way to achieve economic security and financial independence. My name is Charles Cormlou, and I've been in the mortgage industry for close to 20 years now. Hence all the gray hairs. I started my career working for a US lender, and then I found my way to the largest bank in Canada as a mortgage specialist for nearly 10 years. I spent the last 6 years as a mortgage broker helping Canadians from all walks of life, no matter your situation. So if you're a client that's been turned down by their existing bank on a refinance and don't understand why, or if you're a client that looks at a renewal agreement from your existing lender like my toddler looks at their unmade bed, or lastly, if you took a mortgage out in the last 2 years and are wondering if you made the right decision, I'm here to help. Let me put my 2 decades of experience to work for you and your family to find you the best possible customized solution for your financial needs. Just click on the link below and we can get together and have a virtual cup of coffee and talk about all things mortgages.